I want to ask you a question. Your answer should be quick.
Okay.
12 plus 37.
Quick.
Are you playing?
Where you go, man? What?
Michael Group.
What? Yeah, Michael Group. What? Yes, man. What go on?
God bless you with there. What you mean?
Right.
God bless.
Yeah, right.
Thank God. Yes, man. What you mean? Check out
You know, hear me pass and call to you this morning.
Yeah, sometimes, you know, so me up and down, you know. $1 man, me financial embarrassment, man.
Chubak
Let me
side.
buy something, man. You know what I have to drink one liquor communion.
Right. The communion you call it?
Yeah, man. Thanks, man. You know, so I want me to Michael. All our brother, all our did I there. Miss Booth's family said we. One
Yeah,
love.
yeah.
Millie all away. Everybody, one love, you know. Forward and give thanks and praise, you know. You know.
Yeah,
and Jehovah
yeah.
God bless you, we stand up, you know.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yes, sister, for me, broke up all day, you know.
What did you do you what
Then I
you?
slide and drop off my first time. I mean,
So
I am on
so
the
how
foot.
you slide and drop what?
Like I sidewalk, you know, with the jug in my hand full water and just the cat to muscle. She know too, you know, but
Oh,
this
okay.
is all the while, you know. But
Mm-hmm.
then I left over, left over.
I don't them there, you know. I come look for him through the
Yeah, man, you
storm.
down there.
I come look for him.
Yeah, man, respect for it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, my little boy down there, you know.
Yeah,
All the
yeah.
while they give me pepper and little things, you know, for you know we are one from the behind. Said,
Right.
yeah, man, said Rasta said, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
I respect God. God bless his soul, you know.
Yeah, man.
Keep up on yourself.
So how much for your drink?
Well, you can give me 5 bills about $300. That's what they say, you know.
I saw them do it now.
Yes, but be satisfied with
Sure,
anything
blows
where you
and
give me. Anything you give me, I satisfy where you give me. But you can't buy something. You know what I'm saying? You want pepper, I do to be you can buy something. You put in the iPad. I know exactly what we're talking about. You know.
Yes.
But you can buy something to put in the iPad. Remember Miss Elsie, them don't have Sheffield there. Oh God, all them the people
Did I
there.
have 5 bills?
Just cool, man.
Um,
It's a God bless the soul, you know.
mm-hmm.
Brother man, you whole away. And your
Brother
family-
man.
Your family in Paul Island.
Brother.
Like a brother man.
What, Miss Tina? Lord have mercy, girl.
Atina that.
Even if I don't call you that
I
time, you
did not
call
that.
you back before night.
I
can
did
you
not
wait
that.
one call?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Girlfriend, tell them not to do that. I was at there. Hey girl, hold
You're
it.
sitting. You're
She
here
did that, yeah. Tell them she did that, yeah.
Well,
Alright, me call
Tell
you back.
them you did that. She
Shall I call
she
him
girl,
back?
yeah.
Shall I call him back?
Yes, she did that.
Oh. They look like they spend all the money, you know. Me I look for something.
Yeah, man. She did that, yeah, Tina.
No, she come off her
Come on,
phone.
she there on the road.
Okay.
On the road.
Yeah, man, God bless the soul, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, no
Real
problem, man. And God bless. So the pass through and can give me $1. Can buy even liquor in the put in my pot, you know. I buy me some
Them spend out everything, did they?
Well,
That me
them
fine.
time, you know where me live. I know where everything. You understand? Sister know you too, you know. So if you give me now go perish. Me, you know. See them,
Alright.
See them now, put them down
Oh,
good.
you
Put
see
them
more
good.
there?
Put them down good.
Yeah, man, me I put it on good, man.
Yes, and mine will take them out. Yeah, man.
Alright,
Thanks,
hold
man.
this.
God bless, man. Put them down good for you, tap out, and it drop.
Me
You see it?
nah drop it, man. Me nah step out.
Sister, you see it?
Yeah.
You could have just make sure and take it up, but I'm not that kind of person.
Me know, man.
Thank you very much. Tina,
Alright. Alright.
God bless you. I did.
Alright, Dida. Take care.
God bless you. Sister, I did. Yeah. In love with you, fuck you. Tell me so come to your daughter, never. I'm going to pick you up, bumbo clot you. I laugh when you hear that. The food I come for you, bumbo clot. Show me picture when I go down there.
Alright, me I go show
You dirty
him.
bumbo clot.
Alright, let's something tomorrow.
Go look for him. I last year when she don't it. I will thank you very much, dear little girl. Oh, because you cry. You cry.
Come on, me head hurt me, man. Me head hurt me.